AccurateFlow. Unique technology meets design. Accuro has recognized through decades of experience in the installation of all renowned extinguishing systems that the purchased systems do not meet the state-of-the-art in terms of practicality, especially concerning operability, installation, maintenance friendliness, safety, and clarity, and have significant potential for improvement. This particularly applies to gas extinguishing systems. Although there have been new developments in this area, they have always tended towards chemical extinguishing gases. Ultimately, however, it became apparent that all chemical extinguishing gases, sooner or later, have negative impacts on the environment, and their use has therefore been banned or restricted. Due to environmental regulations, customers had to dismantle their costly gas extinguishing systems and replace them with new ones. First, halon was banned because it destroys the ozone layer. This was followed by HCFCs, partially halogenated chlorofluorocarbons, which were banned due to their high global warming potential. Currently, the EU is intensively discussing a ban on PFAS, which could further complicate future applications. For this reason, Accuro has decided to leverage its experience in developing a new gas extinguishing system operated with inert gas. The result is AccurateFlow.